Hi, welcome back to the Event House channel, your home for all things hospitality. I'm your host, Jill Goldfine. We are road warriors. One of the reasons we work at hotels or with hotels is because we love travel. A necessary evil with travel is packing. So, to make your lives a bit easier, Event House will walk you through some of the great packing tips in our next series of videos. Today, all things toiletries. So, let's get started. Our first tip is planning and preparation. You know how long you're going to be away for, so what you can determine is the items and the quantity of each item that you are going to need for that amount of time. Often, hotels will have some amenities that you can use while you're there. Shampoo, a toothbrush, Q-tips, moisturizer. Often they'll have toothpaste and mouthwash. You can call and ask what their thorough list is, and you might get lucky that they could even have a curling wand and a flat iron. Once you have determined the list of products that you need to bring, you put them into groups for need, the items that you need, the items that you want, the items that aren't required, and then you'll know also which items aren't applicable. And that's how you'll pare down your actual packing list. The next tip is choosing the right bag. You can see here a variety of sizes, shapes. I am partial to matching sets. I love those, but sometimes you need a variety for different purposes, sizes, and shapes. This is a great branding opportunity. You'll see you can have them personalized with your logo. So many varieties. Also, it's helpful to use plenty of Ziploc bags. Those are guaranteed leak-proof. You do not want any of your products spilling or leaking among your clothes and other items that are in your suitcases. As for plastic bottles, when you're traveling on an airplane, there is air pressure at 35,000 feet. So the tip for packing these FAA approved bottles is when you're filling them, fill them 75-ish% full so that there's plenty of room for any expansion or moving around in the bottles while you're traveling. Also, to prevent leaks, instead of just the screw top, a tip is to put a little piece of plastic wrap, unscrew the lid, put the plastic wrap over the top, and then screw the lid back on, and you will see the liquid's not going anywhere. I'm going to take just a moment to address that we are still in a pandemic right now, and that FAA still requires the use of face masks in all airports and public transportation and aboard your plane. So make sure you have at least one or two face masks in your bag to go. Great idea to put an extra in with your toiletries for when you arrive. Also, very important to have a packable size of wipes, Clorox wipes, and hand sanitizer. I'm a road warrior, just like many of you, and we all have our favorites. So I'm here to share a couple of mine with you. I have some show and tell. So never travel without a Tide stick. This will save you for any color fabric, most kinds of fabric. It will get you out of a pinch when you're away from home. Another necessity, Lysol. We don't want to talk about it, but we sure all need it. Pills, Tylenol, Advil. I like these hard capsule containers that screw off because you can easily refill them. I have Tylenol and Advil, both kinds, in this same container, and it's so easy to pack. It's smaller than a lipstick. Razors. Let's talk about razors. While the disposable razors come with a plastic tip, often they get lost, break off, can't keep track of them. So binder clips come in handy so that you won't cut your hand when you are digging through your toiletry bag looking for a razor or something else. You will be protected. Love that. Another favorite is this toothbrush. It folds and takes up much less room in your bag. Speaking of folding, this brush and comb, because sometimes you need a comb, sometimes you need a brush, so you'll have them both with you all the time. It takes up minimal space. Cotton pads, good for so many things, and usually they're given out at hotels, so when I have extras or housekeeping comes through, I always ask for extras and bring them home to restock my supply. This is a must for the ladies. Makeup brushes. A good travel makeup brush set is critical. Always have moisturizer. They give out little bottles like this at hotels, and certainly at the drugstore you can buy in the travel department, because airplanes get so dry. It's really good to have moisturizer on you all times. And a nail file, because we get into sticky situations that you need a nail file. Most of these products can be found in the travel size department of Target or any drugstore. I love to peruse that aisle and little containers and bottles and cans of things. Maybe that's just me, but maybe it's a road warrior thing. I don't know, but check it out, decide what you like best, and stick with it. So these are my toiletry bags. I am a believer in things that match and matching sets, so that's what I am comfortable with. I am also a believer in duplicative sets of products. I have all my products at home that I use on a daily basis, but I keep these bags in particular stocked all the time in my linen closet, ready to go. These are my go bags. This one is for many of the products that you've already seen earlier in this video. Dry shampoo, toothbrush, toothpaste, Band-Aids, deodorant, moisturizer, things like that. This one has lots of zippers and pockets on the inside, 2 on the outside. And this is makeup. I have a complete set of makeup that is my travel makeup. It is not makeup that I use in my bathroom at home. So when I travel, all I have to do is take this bag and I know it's stocked. One tip, when you come home from a trip, make sure if you have used up anything in particular that you come home and restock. One popular thing is tampons for the ladies. If you use them while you are away, put some new ones in when you get home, just in case you need them for your next trip. But that goes for any kind of products, so that you always are ready to go with a complete set in your go bag for your next trip. Event House has created a very thorough, what we think is very thorough, packing list for your toiletries. If you would like a copy, please send us a message in the comments below. It's listed here, and I will send you a copy. Wow. That was a lot to take in. I hope we broke it down for you into manageable pieces. Remember to subscribe to our channel so you'll see all our upcoming hospitality videos. Happy trails!